guys, today I'm gonna be showing you like this little Puerto Rican or Dominican, like Mexican something to like clean your like to kill the bacteria in your little microwave, and I think it works, it really works, because all the dirt just went on. I don't know if you can see it, but so like what you need is like this like a little 2 of these little rags, like old ones that you can use, and like and this, wet them with soap, and then you wet them. Then in the microwave, the time is 9:58, and you put all of it in there, and it really works. And right now, my thingy microwave, it smells good, and it is clean, as you can see. So the door, on this side, look, on like this side is dirty because it's like permanent and it will come out, and like on the top too. And that's the top. It's like something popped, and that's why it's like nasty up there. So yeah, and that really cleans it. I hope you guys try it, and so bye. And yeah, disagree if you want to. Bye.